In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PayPal two-factor authentication problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Use a stable internet connection and avoid VPNs or proxy servers as they can block verification. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try logging into PayPal and go to settings and account and make sure that your number is correct and active. You can also simply go ahead and check 2FA method you're using. So PayPal supports SMS codes or Authenticator apps, so use one method at a time and not both. You can also try apps like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, and make sure that your device time is set to automatic. If that is not the case, simply go back to PayPal and request a new code one more time. If you're using any kind of browser, simply clear cache and cookies or update the Authenticator app. Always ensure that your date and time settings is at automatic. And if nothing works, simply try contacting PayPal support at paypal.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.